What's going on YouTube? Today we're going to be talking about the INEVIFIT EROS smart scale here. Now, I've been wanting to check out a smart scale for a long time now. Beginning of the year, of course, what's everybody's New Year's resolution? It's lose weight. Unfortunately, I don't have that need. I need to actually gain a little bit more weight, but I want to definitely keep this and check it out for myself. I've always been interested in smart scales and tracking it on my phone. And that's what this gives you the capability of doing. So this does sync with your iPhone and your Android device. It also syncs with Fitbit. It kind of actually interacts with your health device on your Apple device, as well as Google Fit and then the Fitbit as well. Before we check out what's in the box, please give me a like for the video, as well as comment down below in the comment section. Give me your opinion, suggestions, or just if you have any questions about the actual device, go ahead and leave it down below and I'd be happy to help you out any way I can. So let's go ahead and check out what's in the box. So in the box we have, it says it's highly accurate, displays body composition. It has unlimited users, so you can actually on your Apple iPhone or your Android device, you can actually add a bunch of users to it. It's got smart tracking with your phone. It has a 5-year warranty from the manufacturer. Then on the back, it has all these different complete body composition things it actually calculates for. Body weight, body mass index, body fat, fat-free body weight, skeletal muscle, muscle mass, bone mass, so on. So let's go ahead and check out what's in the box. First off, you have the 3 AAA batteries right here. You have the 5-year warranty registration right here. And then you have the instruction guide right here. Kind of explains how to use the app and also how to use the actual scale itself. And this down here says model I-BF002W. So that's the model it is. Let's go ahead and get the batteries in it and get it synced to my phone. So here's the actual scale. So I got the white one, picked up the white one here, and it's got these metal little designs here, kind of raised up a little bit. It's got this white frosted glass here. And then on the back, it has these nice little rubber legs here, little feet on all 4 sides. So that way it can actually sync and also calibrate for you, for your weight. So let's get ahead and get the battery in it and get it checked out. So I'm gonna get a little bit into the app here. So I got it synced up, actually went to the plus menu here and did device management, and then it asked me to step on the scale and it searches for the device. It was actually pretty quick and easy. I've seen other YouTubers had some trouble getting it synced via Bluetooth, but I didn't have any issues at all. So I don't know if they got this working better or a quicker sync or what's going on, but it's definitely a lot better. So I went ahead and jumped on the scale and my first weight was 178.20. And that's pretty accurate. I went to the doctor last week and I was pretty close to that. So I'd say it's pretty accurate. So down here, I don't know if you can see, but it says my weight's 178.2. My BMI is 25.0. It says body fat, fat-free body weight, all the other stuff. It doesn't actually register that. So I'm assuming you have to actually go through here and set all that up somehow. It does have tracking, so it can track week by week or month by month or year by the year. You can do my count. So there's me right there. It'll probably have all my weigh-ins. And then I can also add a member too. So this allowed me to add my wife on here, or my daughter or anything like that. My daughter's 2.5, so there's no need for that. But if I wanted to add more family members, I can. So I can go ahead and add my wife in there. There's settings in here, so you can go through the settings. You can change the app color. You can set a goal. You can do sound measurements or measurement sounds. You can do a bunch of stuff here. You can see it with your Apple Health Guide and all that. You can even put a locking pin on this, so that way other people don't see it. But that's pretty cool. You can also set it to measurement reminder. So if you forget to jump on the scale in the morning or afternoon or at nighttime, you can set it to remind you to do that. So in a nutshell, that's the smart scale. There's not much to show you other than, jumping on it and showing you the weight. I actually showed you my weight. So I'm not really worried about that. But if you're interested in checking this product out yourself, I actually highly recommend it. I'll put a link for the product in the description along with the current pricing, as well as if there's any other accessories that come with it, or not come with it, but that you can purchase with it. But those will be in the description below for you to check out yourself. If this is your first time to my channel, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time.